Hello and welcome to another video about FreeDOS, and today we're going to have a real quick video since all we are willing to do today is to install Tetris on FreeDOS, and after that we of course want to play Tetris on FreeDOS. For the moment what's very important is that we have inserted our FreeDOS CD or CD image into our machine. And from that point on we can run our package manager fd impulse. Let's run it real quick. And with the arrow keys we can navigate through this package lists. As you have seen before in my other videos maybe, I'm gonna choose games, and with the arrow key I'm gonna look for QTetris, a clone of the Tetris game and a tribute to the Queen band at the same time. This is an open source and free version of Tetris under the GNU General Public License. Of course we are in FreeDOS, which means everything here is free. So let's install QTetris, and as you can see it installs it to C games QTetris. So let's cd into games and QTetris, list our storage with a directory listing, and we can see that there is a QTetris.exe file, and as you can guess that will be our QTetris game that I can start right here. Let's just type in QTetris and wait for it to load. Everything in the game can be done by just using the arrow keys, but playing the game is not gonna be a part of this video. Maybe there's gonna be another let's play video from me, but for now we're just gonna let it be. So thank you for watching this very short video. God bless you. Goodbye.